Hi everyone. I have a testimony to share.
Go ahead, ma'am.
Okay. I recently passed my NCLEX on November 22, and it's all thanks to you, doctor. I came across your channel a long time ago, but life happened and I didn't take my NCLEX around that time. I was among the first group when you started the crash course. So I passed at 85 questions, and everything that you taught us was on my test. Please, guys, I'm encouraging you listen to Adapt NCLEX. The infection control was on my exam. As a matter of fact, my number one question was streptococcal pharyngitis, and it was select all. I had like 7 case studies. Mostly psych medications that he's always teaching us, NMS, EPS, and all of that. The hot guys, they were all on my test. I'm just here to encourage you guys. I'm a mom. It wasn't easy for me. I have a newborn currently. So, most times I just do more of listening to the content, even when I'm not able to sit down and, do the questions. I didn't even use no question bank. I just use adapt NCLEX questions and all of that on the YouTube channel. And I've subscribed for like over a year now. So this is an encouragement, for the other you know, all of us that are still struggling. Don't be scared of the case studies. I'm telling you, he's always telling us to even pray to get those questions. I had like 7 of them, and it was easy. It was a lot of maternity questions too on there, So if you can, I mean, do the crash course or subscribe on the YouTube channel and be a member on the YouTube channel. His contents are top notch. I can't stress much on it because I know I've used the other ones in the past. I'm a repeat test taker. So, yeah, congratulations to me and thank you, doctor. I'm so glad that I came across your channel because another thing is using a lot of content. It's not good. I just focus on adapt. It's no need running around from one channel to the other because you end up getting yourself confused, to be honest. He has everything on the content. He has all the thing was it that they asked on the NCLEX? Everything. Everything is on the crash course, everything is on his YouTube channel. So thank you, doctor.